In this short video, I'm going to show you an example on how to use string functions in Cognos Analytics. I'm looking at the claims and weather data set in here, and there is a column policy. The policy consists of policy type, followed by the space, and a suffix. For example, corporate space L3, corporate space L2. Suppose that I want to create a new column where I store only the suffix, like L3, L2, L1. To do that, we need to use a combination of position and a substring function. So let's go through it step by step. We need to create a calculation. There we go. So this is a calculation editor, and we're gonna type an expression. So let's look at the functions step by step. There is a function called position. What it does is it returns the location of the specified character in a specified column. For example, here, the character is what? The space, right? We put it in a single quote. And the column name is what? Policy, right? And I'm gonna search for the column here, and I'm gonna drag and drop just to make sure that the spelling is correct, just in case. All right, so let's go ahead and let's validate the work and see here, it's giving you the string syntax. See this, the expression 1 is the character you're looking for, and the expression 2 is the actual column name, right? So now let's go ahead and click here to validate. Expression is valid, so now you can click on an eye to preview what it actually returns. So let's scroll down here. What we see is the position of a space here is number 9. Let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so space is with position 9. Here, space is at position 10. All right, now what we need to do is, we know the position of a space, right? So we need to take the substring starting from position of a space plus 1, right? The position of an L is a position of the space plus 1. We use the substring function, and the function takes 2 arguments, right? In this case, we're going to use 2 arguments. And substring, all right? So the first argument is going to be our column name, which is policy, right? Then we're going to put comma, and this is going to be the starting position, right, of the substring that we want to take. Remember, this returns the position of a space. We need to add 1. There we go. So now let's go ahead and validate it first, and then we're going to preview. Take a look at that. Is it returning what we expect? Yes, it does. See this? L3, L2, and etc. Right? So in general, substring takes the column name, then the position of the starting character, and then the position of the ending character. If the position of the ending character is omitted, which is the case here, it will take all characters starting from the specified starting character, right? So see that it's going to take the characters here starting from position of the space plus 1. Now we need to call the new column name, right? And I'm going to call it policy suffix, okay? The calculation gets added as a column, and it is added as a first column by default, right? So I need to click on OK. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I expect to see the first column. All right. See this? It's a policy suffix column that we just created, and the values are L3, L2, L1, L3, etc. All right. So that was a short example on how to work with string functions in Cognos Analytics. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching this video.